this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook page not found. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is refresh the page. Pull down to refresh in the app or press F5 and Ctrl+R in a browser. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also restart your router if needed. Next up, clear Facebook cache. Launch settings, go to the option general, click on iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Facebook and launch it. Click on offload app and confirm it. Then click on reinstall app. If you're using Android device, press and hold on the Facebook app. Click on app info. Go to storage. Click on clear cache and confirm it. Next up, launch Facebook, log out and log in back. With these, your problem might be fixed. If the issue still persists, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Facebook. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, check for Facebook server status. Navigate to the website Down Detector, search for Facebook. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be restored. Next, you can try to log in the web version if you are having issues in the app. Navigate to the official website of Facebook. Now, here provide your credentials and log in. Lastly, you can completely delete Facebook app from your device and reinstall it. So that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.